BlastLogic allows users to quickly build, edit, and debug charge rule scripts, giving more control over loading scenarios. The BlastLogic script builder guides the process of creating a charge rule. Start with a simple load table and charge rule parameters. Set pre-processing, whole fill method, and post-processing. A fully functional script is automatically built, ready to apply to drill holes. The script can be set up in less than 5 minutes. You can add extra functionality by manually editing scripts in an external integrated development environment, such as Visual Studio Code. VS Code's autocomplete feature can provide a context menu listing relevant functions and parameters. See the parameters required by functions. For example, this whole fill method requires interval and blast product for wet holes. Update the script instantly by saving it and apply it to the drill holes in BlastLogic. You can see the wet product has been applied to some of the holes on screen. Easily and interactively debug scripts using VS Code. Once scripts are ready to debug, update the whole debug data with the click of a button. Use the debugger to find any problems and instantly apply changes to holes. Build better charge rule scripts faster with Maptek BlastLogic.